Hello friends, I am Nagaraj Mali. I am going to teach a new topic for you. Welcome all of you to join our class, Sarjay English classes. Today we are going to learn the new topic and the topic name is sentence. Yes. Now dear friends, what do you mean by sentence? Can you tell me? Yes. Sentence means, what is a sentence? A group of words which has meaning, that is called sentence. Remember, a group of words which has meaning, that is called sentence. Remember. The definition of this sentence is very simple. A group of words which has meaning is called sentence. Now what are the types of sentence? Now we can see this. There are 4 types of sentence, remember. Now we are taking the first, that is, the first sentence is declarative. Yes. Now, declarative, it called statement also. Second, question. Yes. Third, imperative. And fourth is exclamatory. Okay? Exclamatory sentence. Now come to the first, declarative sentence. Declarative sentence is called assertive sentence also. Declarative sentence is called statement. We can say it statement also. Now, there are 2 types of declarative sentence, that is affirmative. And another is a negative sentence. Now, affirmative sentence means that sentence. Affirmative sentence means which sentence? She is doctor. She likes English. See, she is doctor. She likes English. Means there is no use of no, not, never, nothing. Yes. The another types of declarative sentence is a negative sentence. Yes. She is not doctor. She does not like English. This is called negative sentence. Yes. Do you understand this? Now the next is questions. There are 2 types of questions, that is a WH questions and yes no types question. Yes no type. Yes. WH question and yes no type question. There are other types also. We will discuss this topic separately. WH question means that the question which start with the WH words. For example, what, who, when, how many, how much, whose one. Such types of question WH words start. That is called WH question. For example, what is your name? Who are you? Why are you late? Yes. How are you? Where is your house? These are the WH questions. Yes. Yes or type question generally start with the auxiliary. Are you teacher? Is she good? Do you like English? Do you want books? These questions are called yes, type question. And generally these question start with the auxiliary, means a helping word. The another is imperative sentence. Yes, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means command. We give command, request. For example, it starts with the word. Remember, V1. Yes, it starts with V1. For example, speak English. Call the police. Bring me a glass of water. Yes, give me a glass of water. This is, it means that imperative sentence is that sentence which start with the verb, main verb. It start with main verb. Call the police. Sit down. But sometimes we also use don't or do not also. Remember. For example, do not smoke here. Don't speak. Keep silence. See, keep silence. Don't speak. Means imperative sentence there is also negative. But it is, these sentences are called imperative. When we give order, means in imperative sentence we give command, order, advice, or request. Yes. And the another type, the next type is that is called another type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Means what we call in Marathi Udgarvachak. Yes. Generally, in exclamatory sentence, toward the end of sentence, there is a exclamation mark. Remember, exclamation mark. See, it starts with what or how. Exclamatory sentence start with what, how. For example, what a pity. What a man you are. What a kind boy you are. How beautiful the garden is. Yes. How nice you are. These sentences means exclamatory sentence start with what or how. And toward the end of sentence there is an exclamation mark. Now these are the 4 types of sentence. Remember, these are the 4 types. Yes? Alright. The first is declarative. Now, how we remember all these things? Remember. Generally, declarative sentence yes plus be plus object, and towards the end there is a full stop. There is full stop. The question, how we recognize question? The question will start WH words or auxiliaries, and toward the end of sentence there is a question mark, that is called questions. And how we can recognize imperative sentence? Imperative sentence start with the V1 or don't or do not, and toward the end of the sentence there is a full stop. How we recognize exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentence started with what or how, and toward the end of sentence there is an exclamation mark. I hope you understand this. Okay? If you understand and if you like this video, I request all of you to like this, share, subscribe our channel, and share this video to your friends also, that it will help for them and it will help for you. Your likes, your comments will support me. I will get motivation, and then I can try to make a better video for you. Okay? Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.